Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell Silent Night 6700 fire alarm control communicator and you need to restore all of the defaults on it and do a factory reset to the factory default settings. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with this unit not working right, restoring it back to the way it was when it came out of the box can fix a lot of those issues. Now you'll need to set it up again, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to, set this communicator up in a new location or anything like that, restoring the factory defaults is a good step in that process, and it's very easy to do. You need to log into the panel, and from there you're just going to select the option 7, which is panel programming, and then from there you'll select 7 again, which is to restore the defaults. And then from there, you'll just toggle through. You can use the up and down arrows to toggle through from no to yes. And you'll select the yes, and it will restore all of the factory defaults on this panel.